Sewing machines come with additional gadgets, not just extra feet. This comes with this machine. It looks like a bit of torture.
No, it's a fabulous piece of kit to use. It's a cloth guide, seam guide. It's a really great feature that you can use. Okay. It just looks a little intimidating, I think, sometimes.
It does.
Very easy to use.
Show me how.
So we've got this. So this actually sits in where we put the bobbin case cover here. Right. So I take that up. Make sure you don't lose it. Keep it somewhere safe. We've all done it.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Haven't we just?
And this then, it literally just... It's as easy as that to attach it.
Right. But this is super long, and this is super long too.
So we have got a guide here. We've got markings all the way up and down here. So if you can see, we can slide this along to where we want it. There's a little window here with a red line in. So I'm going to pop that on my 1/4 inch here. Okay. Then I'm going to lock it in place.
So this is sitting here.
So this is sitting here. I've got my 1/4 inch foot on as well, but it just gives you that longer
guide in. You just certainly need to guide from the front. If you're looking at your needle, it's too late, isn't it, when you're doing precision piecing?
Lots of things with the needle. If you watch the needle, by the time you realise it's too late, it actually is far too late. So I'm going to lift this up. And I'm going to pop this in. I'm going to make sure I've got it straight. I've not quite got it straight. There we go. That's better. It looked a bit too.
It did look a
little too scant, that one for us
from here.
Yeah. So it's just not the easiest thing to do from the side. So I'm just going to pop it underneath. So I've got my 1/4 inch foot on, and then I'm just going to stitch.
So what you're saying is this kind of gives you a guide from here, because we've got all these markings on the foot plate as well.
But we can line this up with here as well. I don't dressmake, and I struggle with the 5/8 seam. It's far too wide.
Right.
So it's perfect to use that for that, because I have to follow it.
Yes.
And then we can literally just start sewing. I'm going to keep it level.
So we could set it for 1/2 inch too, for those rag rugs that
we
people
could
like
set
to
it
make,
for whatever you
don't
like,
they?
up to about 8 inches if you really want to.
Recycling jeans and all those
anything
sort of things
like that.
1/2 inch seams, aren't they?
Yeah. So I'm going to lock stitch actually on here, even though I've got it on the piecing stitch, so it has dropped to 1.8. And so we have got our 1/4 inch seam.
Lovely.
Perfect.
Lovely.
It's a very useful piece of kit. Very easy to fit as well.
Guiding from the front here, I can see that's very appealing.
Yes. Just very easy. It looks a little intimidating when you get it out of the box, but it is fabulous.
But the machines that come with them are obviously tailor-made for the space that you've got here.
Yeah, and of course you've got the little stop here so it doesn't scratch the machine bed. So you've got the nice metal bed on this as well, so yeah.
Yes. Well, I think you've converted me.
Yeah.